Hey, you guys, what's up? If you are seeing my face, you already know it's Friday. So, welcome to Freedom Friday. As usual, I was trying to think, like, what could I say this week that may be encouraging to someone? Because that's really what I like to do, is just like to really encourage us to move forward in life. And so, I was thinking about this Roomba, right? So, my mom bought me a Roomba a while back. Yes, I'm good and grown. I do realize that, but my mommy still buys me gifts because she's a great mommy, and so don't be jealous. So have this Roomba, but sometimes you'll come back in the room and the Roomba has docked back at the docking station, but you will notice like there's still some dirt on the floor. And you're like, hold on, Roomba, why are you docked at the docking station and there's still dirt on the floor? I know you see the dirt because I see the dirt. And I try to equate everything to life, as you guys already know. And so sometimes we identify areas in our life that we know we want to work on, whether it's mental, emotional, physical. And sometimes we have some areas that are a little dirty, a little murky. And I'm not calling you dirty. You're not dirty. I'm not calling myself dirty. We're not dirty. But what I'm saying is sometimes we have some areas that may be a little bit dirty that we need to clean up, and we identify them and we commit to cleaning them. And then sometimes, depending on what the change is that we're trying to make, it may be like a little quick change. So boom, it's done. But sometimes it's a bigger change that may take 6 months or may take a year. And so as we're making the change or the transition, it gets really hard because we're just like, man, I've been like this for so long and now I'm trying to change this thing and it hurts. And so we have the tendency to be like, okay, well, I'm gonna work on something different. Maybe we'll come back to that later. And then we like fall back and redock on the docking station before the work is done. Don't be a Roomba. Don't redock before you clean the dirt. Don't redock before the work is done. Because I promise you, you had a vision of what you could be or what you wanted to change. And if you give up now, maybe a year from now, you may look back and be like, if I would have just stayed the course, I could now be looking back and saying, wow, I really came a long way. The person that I saw that I could become, I am that person today. But if you give up today, you're going to look back and say, man, I can't believe I'm still here. I can't believe, because it's hard. I'm not saying that it's easy. It is hard, but it's worth it. You are worth it. You are worth digging in and making the changes and sticking to it and becoming everything that you know in your heart of hearts that you can be, everything that you know you want to be, that you want to be. This has to be something that you want for yourself and not for anybody else. So again, don't be a Roomba. Come on, stay in the fight. Become everything that you were destined to be. Okay, you guys, that's it. Have a wonderful Friday. Have an awesome weekend. And hopefully I will see you next